Got a kite for my nigga, B-boy in prison, saying Dutch, you the voice of us real niggas who's missing. Took it in with deep thoughts, true as religions, that I'm in a better position to be lacking and slipping. Sat and listened to half of these niggas spitting garbage rhymes, claiming not to be written. Who is you kidding? Why can't I break? Could it be the lack of persistence or the fact that I don't put on the skirt singing I'm different? No punchline, homie, it's crunch time. Hungry as lunchtime, enduring the heat in the kitchen. Don't sleep on me, only if you knew the dream of waiting. A nightmare and I'm right there consulting this with Satan. Am I playing? Fuck no. Cut dope as a dealer slinging cut soap. Or a killer doing drop-by in the up dope. Or fucking every slut hoe bearing their butt hope. Yeah, I said it. Yeah, I'm ignorant and unapologetic. Fuck your feelings, see your conscience pregnant. And breed a nigga like me that's fully dreaded. Out for the cash, to the top I'm heading. Don't forget it. Dutch Gooch.